Welcome back to Afternoon Live. Well, whether you wear costume jewelry or family heirlooms, it's important to care for your jewelry in the best possible way. So here to show us how to do it right is jewelry consultant Rachel Akmakjian is with us today. Rachel, thanks for joining us.
Hi, and thank you so much for having us.
We're talking about cleaning jewelry today. How important is it to keep cleaning your jewelry and keeping it up?
It's actually very important. Not only does it keep your jewelry beautiful and shiny and sparkly, but it also tells you what the state and condition that your jewelry is currently in. So I'll give you an example. Sometimes a diamond or a gemstone can become loose within the mounting, and your lotions, your perfumes, it kind of keeps it stuck there. So you don't know the diamond is loose or you don't know the gemstone is loose, and that's something very important for you to be aware of. So keeping it clean keeps your jewelry safe as well.
What are the best ways to clean it at home?
Yeah, so you know what? It depends on the piece of jewelry that you have. So I would recommend wherever you bought it from, whether it be online, they should have some details for you, or at your local jewelry store. Know what you're cleaning because it's going to require different things. But my favorite thing to clean my jewelry with at home is a toothbrush, some Dawn dish soap, and some water. And it actually does wonders. So you don't need a crazy fancy solution, but make sure you know what you're cleaning first.
What about if it's not real silver or real gold? Is that still a good solution for it?
That is a very good question. When you have kind of those everyday sort of costume pieces, I wouldn't recommend cleaning them every day. Clean them very gently as needed. So what I like to do is take a damp, mildly soapy microfiber cloth and kind of lightly go over the piece. That way, you're not taking off that outer finish of maybe that gold that's been plated on or that gold that's been painted on. You know, you want to keep that piece looking new and real as long as possible.
What's the best way to polish the sterling silver?
Yep. So my favorite thing for sterling silver, you can get them online or your local jewelry store should have them as well. But it's a polishing cloth that is treated with some type of, I don't know, solution. And what it does is it just really helps you clean all of that tarnish off, and you'll see it come off. It's kind of satisfying. You'll see the cloth turn black as you're polishing your silver. And as you do that, you'll see it come back to its white and bright state.
So rewarding when that happens too. You're like, oh yes, yeah, I've done it.
You just keep going.
Yeah. So what are some of the mistakes that people make though that you see the most as a jewelry consultant?
Yeah, so there are a lot of myths about cleaning jewelry. So biggest mistake is just Googling what you should do and trusting it. Definitely speak to a jewelry professional on what your specific piece requires. So for instance, emeralds can't handle heat, and a lot of people don't know that. So if you try to clean your emerald with boiling water, you have potential to crack your emerald. And you know, just certain things like that you don't want to happen.
Well, I'm sure you've heard the whole gamut when it comes to social media and what TikTokers are saying and stuff as far as cleaning jewelry. I think that's interesting though about the emeralds. Is there any other gemstones, birthstones that need certain cleaning techniques?
Oh, absolutely. So emeralds are one to be cautious of. So are opals and pearls. And opals and pearls, which are October and June birthstone pieces, they are very porous gemstones. And so you have to be really careful, even when you're wearing them on a day-to-day basis. Cleaning solutions, perfumes, everything that we interact with on our day-to-day life is actually going to absorb into the gem and can change the way it looks and its luster. So be careful with those ones as well. And if I were to clean an opal or a pearl, I would clean it with warm, not hot, warm and mildly soapy water.
Such good tips today, Rachel. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having us.
Absolutely. We're going to have more information about Rachel on our website at KATU.com. Stay right there. Afternoon Live.